Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we are going to see how some order block from high time frame to the lower time frame is work, like in 15 minutes and 5 minutes and even 1 minute for you to see. The purpose of this video is to identify the best valid order block on a 15 minute and a 5 minute and a 1 minute time frame, because here, as you can see here, is a live trade. So we are doing with what live trades right now. We are expecting 40 pip, 35 pip, 30 pip risk in this trade. So as you can see here, all previous videos we have thought about we have already thought about the fair value gap, valid best order block, and inducement, and even bullish breaker, bearish breaker. There's a lot of things, So in this video, we are going to see specifically about the order block, which one is best, how to select. As you can see here, our screen, we are in 15 minutes. So kamar yadda kuka sani a bidiyoyinmu na baya, mun yi magana akan fair value gap da dai sauransu. Order block, which one is the best order block, which one is not valid, so like that. So a wannan yadda kuke gani live trade ne, and normal muke expecting 40 pip, or 30 pip, or even 35 pip risk in 10 pip, which is 1 to 3 maximum, like 1 to 3 to 1 to 4 ratio. So as you can see here, we are expecting, because the market is bearish, and then market what up down breaking this level, because here we are in previous monthly low, this level, and then market we are expecting to test, and then market rally up, retracement again, rally up, mitigating this fair value gap previous video, and then what market come back to this level specific order block, and then retracement back to this zone, which is our what order block in 5 minutes, something like that, So we are expecting market to what? Can you see here? Market rally up, break this level, chop, retracement, specific order block in 5 minutes, and then retracement, and then what? Rally up, break this level, breaking this level. So we are expecting here market to reach specific zone, which is here, as you can see, this internal side liquidity first target, and then we are expecting this level, we are expecting this specific order block, and then we are expecting this, and we are expecting low high, this one, lower high, this one, the high what sell side liquidity. So here we are expecting first target this level, and then we are expecting market to come this level as well. So let's wait to see how. But before, let's show you how we select this setup based on order block valid. Is on GBPUSD. So market is rallying, it's continue moving. So as you can see here, let's zoom for you to see it. Can you see here? We are in what, 15 minutes, because we are expecting to reach the high, this level, previous high. This is what, our 15 minutes. This is our 15-minute order block. So we are expecting market to market come back for the first time, and then what, rally up at getting this level, and then the retracement back all the way toward our 1 minute, 5 minute valid order block. Still here is a valid order block. You can take sort of from here, risking 15 to 20 if it's supposed to be below this level, your stop loss, and then target 1 into 2. Like here you can see risking 10 pip, 40 pip, which is sufficient. So here is our first target is 28. So we can take partial from this level, or even this high. We can take partial from this, okay, this level. So but for first TP, we can take this level. So we are waiting market to reach. Let's back to 5 minutes for you to see clear. This is a clear setup, as you can see here. We can take this level. This level is break already. We can correct it. We are waiting market to push this level. So as already told you before, this is our 15-minute fair value gap, order block. This is our 15-minute 15-minute order block. Same thing as 5 minutes. Can you see? Same as what? 5 minutes. 5 minute order block. Can you see? Boom. So we hit this level. Our first target was hit. Boom. Then second target, because we target 40 pip, 35 pip. Here we take almost 30 pip. Yeah, we take 30 pip, which is times 3. Look at this setup. It's like 0. So you have to understand the bias. You have to annotate market with timing. It's very, very important. So this is live trade, as you can see, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Maybe in the next, we are going to see, how to select, maybe in next upcoming live trade, we are going to see how to select specific blocks, specific fair value gap, specific bearish maker, like that. So before we select this setup, what we are seeing here is, we know market, we are supposed to hit this level first, and then second level, this level. So the market come back this level, as you can see here, because we break, we know we are in bearish, like market retracement to the specific level. So we are in bearish, but market all the way back to the previous monthly low, and then market start tracing, moving up, and then what we are expecting here, market rally up, but getting this level, and then market break this level again, create this low, which is what our order block, and then market rally up, break this level loss, and then retracement back to specific this level. So here we are expecting market to break this low, sweep liquidity to breaking, and then our specific 1 minute fair value gap, which is very low. You can take sort of from this level from 15 minutes as well as 5 minute order block, but the thing is, wait for market to get your the lowest low of the order block, which is in 1 minute, but our setup is based on 15 minutes. So as you can see here, our targets already hit 30 pips, which is massive, and then still you can take partial and expecting 40 pips, as already mentioned, this level 40 pip, we are expecting market to hit our 40 pip within how many minutes? It's less than 30 minutes. Yeah. So we are expecting market to push, okay, to the 40 pip. But here we take partial 30. Yeah, you have to take partial whenever you are trading. You have to take partial whenever the market reaches specific level, like high, like internal buy side, sell side. Just take partial and wait to specific target to avoid, to avoid loss. So you can see here is this is our what 1 minute. Can you see the valid this level? This is valid order block. Market moving high because as you know you are internal, you are what your bias is what is bullish because market we are expecting to retestment to a specific zone before continuously moving to downside to the what downside. So here we are expecting market rally up retracement specific what retracement to our specific fair value gap, which is 1 minute fair value gap. As you can see, this 50% of the fair value gap. Again, retracement up to the what? Can you see this level? Appreciate 50 minutes and what market break chunk of character back to what specific zone, which is our another fair value gap, this level, which is good. Can you see again this level? Market rally, your opportunity to enter. Market break up structure again and then retracement back to this level, and then all the way market retracement to our what 15 minute fair value gap, which is this level. You can take setup also as well. You can reach 20 pip to get 40 pip, which is times 2 or 60 pip if you want. So can you see market here? So market what did? Rally up, rally, break this level, which is our break up structure again. This level. Our target today is 40 pip, but we take partial. So this level, can you see market? Retracement back to this level, and then we are expecting still market to retrace back to this level, which is valid setup. Can you see market is moving and then market retracement, which is like zero drawdown. Yeah, it's like 10 pip, 40 pip, 10 pip, 30 pip, which is good for the day, as you know, as a retail trader. 15 minutes per minute. We hit at 7.9 fifth, which is good because here we already take partial from this level. We have to take partial, as I told you, take partial from this level, okay? Because market can easily retrace back to your, because you are not the one who control the market, because you are just participating, right? Take 0.5% of your sort of take like that, but still this level is valid. So you can see back to 15 minutes. So wannan kenan idan kullum za ka yi understanding market structure kamar yadda nake faɗa ko da yaushe ka understanding market structure sannan ka fahimci wani condition kake na market, ina market za ta je daga ina ta zo kuma ina za ta je. To wannan zai taimaka ma wajen samun opportunity a market. So wannan level din ina expecting wannan level din or even this and take this level because we already hit 50% of this level. Also you can take it as your what TP. Let's see what market is. Can you see? Yeah, this level like 36 it is good. 36, that's almost 37. This level 37, which is good. It's enough for you for the day because we already take TP from this level, this low, this high, internal, this high. We already take, and then market pick this level again. Back to all the Can you see this? Market already hit, and then what market did? This level, 50% of this fair value gap. Market hit. Live trade. Can you see 50% of this? Which is what? 37.1. But still this high is valid. This high is also valid. This high is also valid. So, but we are not expecting, because our target is already hit. So we just expecting some 3 pip again. This level 40 pip. 40 pip. But even this level 30 pip, 37 pip is enough. It's enough for today, because we are risking just 10 pip and you make 330. You make 3%, which is 1 into 3, which is enough for you, for the day. In less than what? 30 minutes. From this level, can you see? And then this level, which is like 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes for the day. So it's enough for you as a retail trader, and then switch up the system and walk away. Go to the teams or some others work, So this is for today. In our next live trade, if you are new in this channel, subscribe, and also you can join our Telegram channel. Our link is in this video description. You can easily join, because not followers, but we are trying, to running the live trade as well. Okay, so this is for today. See you next